Celebrities who came to Ghana last year. In June, Kendrick Lamar released a mini documentary in partnership with Spotify, which chronicled his first trip to the country, right? It was called A Day in Accra, Ghana. And he went to Virgil's skate park. That's the picture that you see here where it says Virgil was here. Virgil is the fashion designer who created Off-White. He also worked with Kanye for a little while. I think he worked with Louis Vuitton. You guys correct me if I'm wrong, but he was Ghanaian American. And he passed away last year. Part of Kendrick's trip was to stop by there. You guys might remember he was in a barbershop playing video games with people, just walking around and getting to know the people. Spotify did a mini documentary on it. Things like that draw attention to the idea of coming to Ghana, right? Because he didn't come for any of the performances. He came in June, completely separate. So he didn't come for the festivals. He came for a completely separate time and his own thing. And you guys also might remember Good Morning America came to Ghana as well, right? So if you remember Robin Roberts and is it Denai? I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but Denai from Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. She played Michonne in The Walking Dead. In September, they came to Ghana on the trip surrounding the premiere of Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. And so it was Good Morning America from Ghana. Question from Wealthy Merchant. Joe, have you heard about Idris Elba's intentions to build a film studio? I have heard about his intentions to build a film studio in Ghana and in Sierra Leone. He met with the president. It kind of went viral, the conversation with the president, and then this outfit went viral. I don't know how many women told me how much they love Idris in this outfit. He did ask the president to create favorable policies for filmmakers to thrive. He noted that he plans to shoot a movie here and some scenes and proof of concept here in Ghana. He's also had these same conversations with the president of Sierra Leone as well. He is Ghanaian and Sierra Leonean. So shout out to those who know he's Sierra Leonean as well. But in the video for the meeting that's gone viral, he was seen pitching the idea of establishing a film studio here. He noted that there's a lot of filmmaking potential, but that the lack of facilities have stifled that. He also spoke about the importance of government policies in boosting the film sector in Africa. This is a direct quote. We've studied the models of obviously South Africa's incredible incentive package and around Europe, obviously Greece, Morocco. These are all places where they realize the value of the filmmaking dollar and have brought that policy into play. That's what he said to the president. He also revealed that he has a movie that he's currently shooting, that he'd love to shoot parts of that movie in Ghana. Pre-production is set for August. Principal photography will begin in December. He told the Ghanaian president that he intends to film to be a proof of concept. It will be very beneficial for us to show and to make an announcement to the world that Ghana is open for business. Here are the steps. The policies are in place, and we have actually bringing a film to the country, and we're going to put money where our mouth is. So this is the conversation that Idris was having with the president. This new development is coming less than a week after news broke that he intends on building a studio in Tanzania as well. So he has some partners that he's working with, looking to build studios elsewhere. Sierra Leone, he came to Sierra Leone in 2018. Where he first started having that conversation with the president of Sierra Leone at the time. I was there at the time, went to a party that he DJ'd, and everybody lost their minds when he performed. But yeah, so I would love to see that. I have a cousin who also is familiar with some of the stuff that Idris is working on. My cousin's an actor. We've had him on the live before. So I'd love to see more of that. Oh yeah, so Raven mentions this Girls Trip 2 has been planned for filming in Ghana as well, waiting for more details. Yeah, I reposted that on the Authentic African Instagram page. I did mention that as well. So yeah, that's true. Speaking of other actors and actresses, and D Wade came in October to Ghana to celebrate her 50th birthday. And she visited several African countries, as far as I understand. She participated in the last bath ritual at Asimanso, which is an ancestral river where slaves would have bathed before being taken to ships determining their fate. This is something that is a site that I want to go see. I haven't been to yet. But Ivy Prosper mentioned this on the live that we did together. This is one of the things that people should do outside of just coming to Accra and going to Cape Coast Castle, is to go to the Asimanso River to kind of hear the stories and learn more about it. In an interview, she basically said, I felt like I was being fortified and forged in the fires of my ancestries. I'd never been more clear. My soul has never felt cleaner or lighter. It's my superhero origin story. She's an actress, that's for sure. It's an interesting play on words and use of words there. But I will say this, if you haven't been here, you do have, not for everybody, not all the time, but you can have a life-changing experience. I always said that every time I came to Sierra Leone and or Ghana, I went back to the United States with a renewed sense of purpose. And I felt like that would drain while I was in the States, and then I'd refill when I came back here, and then would drain when I was in the States. And so for me, I just felt like, why not have a full cup all the time? I have decided to continue with the renewed sense of purpose, and things like this YouTube channel helps me to stay in that purpose. That, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone else in between, concludes the presentation. In conclusion, I will just say, to me, it seems as though the movement to come back to Ghana, to visit Ghana, to move to Ghana is real. I don't think it's changing or ending anytime soon. And I'm excited about the prospects for the future. So I definitely recommend, if you haven't, you should, and do as much as you can to experience as much of the country as you can when you do come here. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.